I'm Dr. Ruotolo. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and president of Total Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. Today, we're going to go over your distal biceps exercise that you can do after surgery. So for the first 4 weeks after surgery, you're going to have your arm locked in a brace. During that time period, you're going to take your brace off 3 times a day, where you're going to start doing some active system motion of your right elbow. And this will be for supination and pronation. So supination is turning your palm up and pronation is turning your palm down. These exercises are done using your other hand, not on the operative side. And so using your other hand, you're going to turn your palm up as far as it can go, turn your palm down as far as it can go. You do this back and forth for maybe 30 to 60 seconds. And then with your palm up, you're also going to then bring your arm out as straight as you can and bring your arm up. It doesn't matter how far you go. Sometimes with swelling, that kind of prevents you from going up. And really, people mostly get stiff for this motion, rotating your forearm, and for going out straight. After the first 4 weeks, you're out of the brace. If you still haven't gotten all of your motion compared to your other side, you might still be doing some stretching exercises. Otherwise, after the first 4 weeks, you're not lifting anything of weight, nothing heavier than your cell phone. You'll start strengthening at 8 weeks. Strengthening is biceps curls. So for your biceps curls, you're going to start with a 2-pound weight. It's going to feel like a very light weight for you, but that's important because you're going to be lifting weights, strengthening that tendon, and pulling on that tendon a little bit gets that collagen to remodel and get stronger and stronger. So you want to be well below your ability to re-tear your tendon, which is why you start at 2 pounds. So your first month, you're going to do 4 sets at 15 to 20, doing a 2-pound curl, and you're going to do this 3 times a week. And you're going to progress over the course of that first 4 weeks from 2-pound curls up to 10-pound curls. If you have pain at one of the things, or if you go from 5 pounds to 10 pounds and you have pain, then you're going to drop back down to 5 pounds. From there, your second month, which is from week 12 to week 16, you're going to start with 10-pound curls, and you're going to progress from 10-pound curls up to 20-pound curls. And then once you get out to 4 months, you're doing 20-pound curls. From there, you can continue to progress as you see. So these are your instructions after distal bicep tendon repair. It's important that you know your instructions, which is why we go over this, because your recovery is our priority here at Total Orthopedics and Sports Medicine.